everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super gorgeous lily pond fridge magnet, which is made using paper quilling strips and cardboard. And trust me, this is super duper easy to create. So I will share from scratch how to create this super cute paper boat along with the lily leaves, lily flowers and everything in detail. Isn't it looking very pretty? And this is very light in weight because this is made in paper. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. So here I am showing you how to make the boat first. So I have created one boat shape which is having 2.5 by 5 centimeters dimension. This is simple eye shape and I am cutting this shape using my scissor. I have created this shape on 300 GSM white color cardstock. Then I am taking here paper strip which is 13 by 1.2 centimeters. I have just folded this from bottom at 0.5 centimeters, added glue strip, and now along the edge of the boat shape I am going to stick these strip. So first of all we have to cut small fringes on this 0.5 centimeter folded part. This white paper is also having 250 GSM thickness. So after cutting the fringes, you just need to align it along the shape of the boat and start constructing the box kind of shape. Like this. Now from the bottom I am connecting one more sheet and just cutting the excess paper. Like this. Then inside the boat I am adding one more shape for the finishing. And then here I have prepared some cardstock stacks which will come between the boat part as a division of the boat. This is also having the same dimension as the boat, that is 0.7 centimeter. So I am sticking these parts after equal interval, and then it's time to color our boat using acrylic colors. So for the bottom of the boat I am using dark brown color, and for the top of the boat I am using yellow ochre color. So the coloring of boat is completely done. Now I am just adding one ring of the boat shape from top, which is also colored in yellow ochre, just for the finishing look, and our super duper cute paper boat is completely ready. Now it's time to create the base. For this I am taking 8 by 10 centimeter white color cardstock, and I am sticking total 5 layers of cardstock on top of each other to create nice and thick base. Instead of cardstock you can also use cardboard pieces or any box cutouts which is thicker in the dimension. Now I am covering this whole bunch using one more white color cardstock piece which is little bigger in size. So just chop the 4 corners, fold these flaps and stick it with glue. like this. Now other side I am covering with the same size white color cardstock for the finishing look, and the base for our lily pond is completely ready. Now I am coloring my base using blue color and turquoise blue color. This is again acrylic color. Like this. Then on the edge I am adding 4 hinges, which are actually the cardboard strips from all 4 sides, so that we can create the 3-dimensional 3D pond effect. On the edge I am going to attach my leaves and flowers so that the water will look like a 3-dimensional. Now here I am taking 8 by 10 cm white cardstock, and here I have prepared the shape from all 4 sides in a leaf pattern. So we just need to cut this inner part using paper cutter, and it will come on topmost part of the pond base, on which we are going to add our leaves and flowers. So quickly cutting the inner part. And it should look like this. Then I am coloring this part also using green and blue acrylic color. Like this. Then I am putting my boat exactly in the center and also putting the green cutout, aligning it in the center and just creating a rough sketch using pencil so that we know where the position of the boat is. And then around this boat shape I am creating some water texture using my white marker. Like this. And then I am pouring lots of glossy varnish in the base, spreading it nicely with brush to give realistic water effect. It will shine after drying and it will give you the water effect. Like this. Allow it to dry. So it's dried completely. Now I'm sticking my leafy cutout on top. Very pretty. And then it's time to create the leaves. So here I'm taking 2 strips of dark green color in 2 mm and creating the lily leaf shape like this. Similarly, I have prepared lots of leaves in dark green color, some leaves in light sap green color, some leaves in light green color and some leaves in dark sap green color. Now taking back my base and one by one I am going to arrange these leaf shapes randomly here and there to cover the whole leafy part. so it's nicely covered from all the sides. Then it's time to create the lily flower. For this, here I am taking half strip of dark pink color in 1 mm and making one tight leaf shape. 1 mm strips I got from Craft Gully. All the supply links are given in description box along with the coupon code, so you can check there. Similarly, we need total 6 petals and 6 small petals which are made using 1/4 strips to create one lily flower. Now I'm taking one light pink color paper and putting some silicone glue on top of this and then start arranging the lily flower. So starting from the outer bigger size leaves, and then I'm going to stick the smaller leaves inside the flower. This is the quickest idea to create the flower in dimensional shape if you have silicone glue. If you don't have silicone glue, just attach the bigger flower petal with glue, smaller flower petal with glue, and then align it on top of each other. Just push it in the center after drying and you will get the 3D flower. Like this. Now I am pouring some white color flower pearls in the center to give the pollen effect. And the super cute flower is ready. Allow it to dry completely. So it's dried nicely. I kept it for 12 hours to dry. Now I am cutting the excess paper from the edge. And the lily flower is ready. Similarly, we need total 4 big size lily flowers and 6 small size lily flowers which are made using 6 petals in 1/4 strip. Just like we created the inner flower petals. So all our flowers are ready. Now taking back my pond shape and first time sticking my boat in the center. And here I have created this super cute oar or the boat hand using cardstock. I have just colored it in golden and brown color, so I am sticking it on top of the boat. And then randomly here and there I am adding my lily flowers. Some flowers I am putting on the water as well. Like this, so pretty. And then here and there randomly I am adding these water droplets to give realistic look. Some on the flowers, some on the leaves and some on the water. Like this. And the super beautiful lily pond shape is completely ready. Now it's time to attach the magnet on backside. I have colored the backside also using green acrylic color, and using B7000 glue I am sticking my strong magnet. Allow it to dry completely. And very beautiful paper lily pond fridge magnet is completely ready. It's looking absolutely amazing. You can gift it to your friends, your family, or you can take the customized order and you can sell them also. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.